Sloss Furnace 1 and 2 were a fiery Birmingham landmark from 1882 to 1971. Over the years, over 60 people died at Sloss. The most famous ghostly sightings include James Slag Wormwood, the graveyard manager, responsible for over 40 deaths on his shift alone. He pushed his men too hard and put them in harm's way. Another famous ghost is Calvin Jowers. Jowers actually died at Alice Furnace about a mile west of Sloss. Today, he haunts Sloss. While filming this segment in the tunnel, we felt a presence, someone or something walking behind us in the tunnel.
Is that you walking behind us?
We couldn't see them, but the air turned bone-chilling cold. There was a definite mist right there.
Okay. Ooh, it's starting to feel cold again.
It was right there.
It was right there.
Came up at right there.
Are you still in here? You know, heat is supposed to rise, but it's colder right here. Ooh, it's way cold. You're about to walk through it.
Okay.
Something's over there.
I just saw it too.
You did?
Yeah.
Where?
It's over there.
Shine the light there.
It just moved. You saw that?
Yeah, I did. I just saw it again. It ran across that.
It's not a man. It's not
No,
a man.
it's a shadow.
I
That's
think
what
it's a girl.
She just moved.
Yeah, I just
Oh
saw it.
my gosh.
She
There it
just
is.
moved. Oh, should I post? I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
3 members of our 5-member investigation crew saw the dark shadow of a small female child moving in the room.
Can you come out from behind there? Can you come out? Make a noise?
That was a definite mist.
That was.
I saw it twice.
I felt it. It was on me.
Shine a flashlight up towards her belt. Keep it down here.
Jowers? Are you up here? My gosh, I saw something out of the corner of my eye. Did you see it over there?
No, I didn't. It's not there anymore.
No. Okay. Whoa. No, that wasn't me.
Notice the giant steel rod vibrating by itself.
Are you moving that flag?
Could this be the presence of Slag, or perhaps Jowers?
Can you show me something? Well, I don't know what it looked like back then, but this is pretty unpleasant now. Can you talk to me?
Listen carefully to the loud bang.
Why did you throw that?
We were alone on the premises of Sloss at the time. Someone or something threw something very large at us. We captured several orbs at Sloss Furnaces. This is the room where we spotted the little girl. The room is now under controlled lighting for film. A small orb is spotted floating in the background. Do you see it? Here's a close-up. It shows what appears to be a happy face inside the orb. This orb is about the size of a tennis ball and appeared several times in various places during the production. These orbs were spotted near the catwalk in the boiler room. Once again, a close-up reveals face-like features.